Morning, guys. Um, as you can see here, I kind of hopped in a GU play about like 10 minutes ago for a buy. Reason being, um, sorry, just making sure the stream is good this time. Yeah, so I got in a USD buy. Reason being, if we look at, let me get rid of these trend lines here. We look at H4, right? Structure is clearly stepping up. We had some price imbalance here, which got filled, respected. Not all the way divergent here. Now if we go to the 1 hour, made a beautiful double bottom. Probably gonna remove TP and see where we can go. This is a point 50 lot. I usually stick to 1.0s for the 1% risk that I run for my account, but because of the 3 losses that were taken, I took 2 on Monday and 1 today on a GBP buy, which was a little too early. I caught it around here. Ooh, my fault. Caught it around here for the buy, but too early. So we got the same setup here, as we can see. 20 pips, I'm going to go ahead and take my partials and let the rest run just to cover the position. Show you guys where the entry really came in here. On the minute chart, you can see divergence here to that price imbalance. We broke structure here at this point, and we got the retest. Classic move. This is what you guys will see from me a lot. Right at a fib. So yeah, this area that I have marked was another area that I thought we'd have some issues at. And because we didn't, kind of remove my TP. I can see it at least pushing up to here somewhere. Like I said, just because of that H4 and the fact that we're continuing stepping up, I'm pretty certain either we're gonna top out here and kind of make a double bottom to come back down, or sorry guys, for some reason it's saying my stream health is poor. So let me try and get that figured out for you guys. Because I'll tell you, that's probably the worst thing, is coming on and then after the fact seeing that the stream didn't really play out. So yeah, we're up 14 pips. Like I was saying, we could top out here, make our double bottom and come back down, but with just how structure's been climbing, even on the higher time frame, I think we're bound to make a new high. See what happens. Look at dollar. Dollar came to fill this imbalance, topped out. Now we're on our way to the downside there. Could just be a pullback. Yeah, guys, no class today, which is great. So, we'll see if we're gonna run a New York stream. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna run a New York stream. Um, Probably won't take any plays though, especially if this one at least gives me 20 pips to secure something. Make sure my magic keys are in place. Sorry guys, I was on the phone. Yeah, 20 pips will take partials. Give me 20. So what I'm thinking is I don't think it's gonna go long entirely. Typically what it likes to do is throw this false London pattern to throw a stop on Asia high and then continue to the downside. Could do that. I've seen it plenty of times to believe that it could happen, but we'll see. But stop loss break even. Come on, boy, give me 20. Give me 20. Come on now. Break 20. Come on. This is probably the worst thing you can get from trading. See some. Stops me out, stops me out. I mean, we're break even. It's really nothing, but keeping those strict rules, that's important. Yo,
You you say just managing it on the high time frame?
I think I think that's what is doing it for me a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Get my computer out.
let's go with y'all.
Was
What's up, John?
Boy, Mosley sniped the buy. How many pips you up?
Okay.
huh?
How many pips you up?
I don't even know, bro. 20 on the first entry and 14 on the second one.
Oh, you got two of them. Yeah, I was hoping we get I was trying to get 20 from it. Now it's playing. It's playing it. 19 pips for like 5 minutes. What you think is gonna do?
I don't know. I had an I might just take what I got on the ground. I ain't gonna lie. What this one gonna do? Let me just take this entry. Take it. This one is the lowest one, so shit.
I do like H4. How it like that could be the double bottom. I mean the higher low that it formed to make a new high, and then H1 there's a H1 made a double bottom,
Mm-hmm.
but we'll see. I don't know what it wants to do.
I was hoping for bullish for London, but you just never know.
Of course, we get a pullback, right? Would you get in on Mosley the minute?
Nah, I was stalking this shit, man. I was looking at it. Um, all right, I saw this. All right, cool, cool, cool. I saw this. Then I saw this candle, and I had a buy, or whatever right here. Buy
uh,
stop. Yeah. Let's see what first on, nigga. Let's see what we doing.
I'll start acting funny. Dollar hit off of exactly what I was looking for to sell off. I feel like that could just be a pullback. Come on, give me 20 pips so I can close half at the least. All right, bet. We got a runner.
This shit busting. What the hell? Lord.
You closed?
Nah, I ain't close. I'm saying.
Yeah, bro.
Mad
Dollar filled that H4 gap and just like now it's on its way. Y'all got Tyler. Y'all got power out there?
Man, my shit be on and off. I got stuff charged right now, so
That's crazy.
yeah, it is. I ain't gonna lie.
But it's on and off because they sporadically turning people, the peak energy or whoever your light company is turning it off and on because they overloading the power grid with everybody running electricity. We're not used to this cold weather, so the grid can't operate properly when it's frozen. So to keep it maintained, they cut it cut so many people off at one time, cut it back on, and go to the next set of people. Like my aunt, she said she had like for 8 hours today, and then they cut it back off.
Huh. Yeah, we're supposed to get hit with snow like 9 inches today.
9 inches. Oh my.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard this little snowstorm is like all across, you know, that side, I guess. And Miami, my homeboy in Miami is wide open out there.
Huh. Wait, are you guys seeing a black?
Oh, this shit clean. Hold on, y'all see this?
Are you guys seeing a black screen, or you guys can actually see the screen?
I ain't even look at it. I ain't even peep that.
Yeah, I see it on the 15 minute off my zone too. That thing ain't getting no pull backs neither.
Shit.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna have to leave the stream, the Zoom real quick. All right, we still good? You guys can see it all or no? Yeah, I noticed this stream is a little delayed. Um, I was on a Zoom, so I guess what happened was that paused it. Um, yeah, severely delayed. But right now we're up 27 pips on GU. Just a recap. I got in at like 2:30. Reason being, starting from the H4, we had clearly market structure stepping up. Potentially caught the higher low here at a price imbalance on the H1. We had a double bottom, which was even more confirmation to say okay maybe we're up for the buys. Down to the 5 minute, divergent double bottom here at this zone. And then we had on the minute where I got my entry. If we look at market structure here, this we'll say blue line. Whoa. Here at this blue line, we broke market structure. We got the retest at a fib of 50, which is perfect, and a bullet. And bullish engulfing. So we should be well on our way here. Partials were taken at 26 pips. No, I'm sorry. Partials were taken at 21 pips. Just to secure the position. Stop loss at break even. And yeah, we're off to a good start. Pretty much just covered the pips that I lost on Tuesday, and yesterday's session I took one buy, which was pretty too early. Same type concept, divergent, and I ended up taking the buy here rather than like truly catching the pullback, which was fine. Both were under 1% risk. Both of them, to be exact, were 18 pips total in loss. The first one was first loss on Tuesday. That was 7 pips, and the loss today was 8. So 15 pips total loss for the week, and then we just gained it back. 21 pips, so we're up 5. I noticed there's a delay, so I'm gonna actually back out of this stream and come back onto it, just so you guys can kind of see what's going on in real time. But stay tuned.